Hey guys, what's up? If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe.
Love the touch, but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch, but never love the feeling. Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby,
It is so intelligent. GPS hovering and barometer set height. Easy. One key taking off or landing. HD video recording and HD picture shooting. D80 captures your wonderful moments on journey. Stable and strong brushless motor provides strong flying power. You want this? Point of interest orbit, making your shooting more attractive. Follow me mode, making your drone your exclusive photographer. It will follow you wherever you go. Under app custom route call, D80 will fly according to your designed route. D80 features long control distance, HD real-time transmission, providing a better flying experience. D80 allows you to imagine, to record,
fixed point hovering in the air, GPS positioning system, and one key auto return. T25 can automatically return and land precisely. However, our T25 is more than that. T25 can meet all your expectations. A smart drone. The drone will fly according to your designed route and the app map. A good partner. T25 will always fly around you wherever you go by the follow me mode. Tired of conventional shooting? Let's make a change. One key taking HD pictures and the 75-degree adjustable camera will diversify your shooting style. Record 1080p HD videos. See broader views. One key sharing joyful moments you've captured through the drone app. Stronger anti-wind ability due to the newest built-in 9-axis gyro, which makes perfect shooting. Easy to control. The headless mode helps the pilot easy to control in the air. Freely enjoy the fast and the furious in the sky. What's more, T25 Drone is like a star shining in the night sky. The LED flashlight helps you realize your aircraft's real-time position, satisfy you from flying experience to visual perception. All what we've been done is to bring you a more intelligent, functional, and simpler drone to you.